Hey everybody! I've got a couple of any day little scenarios for y'all, and I didn't put together anything else except for putting together a little video showing y'all me making some Pizzelle cookies. So, if you're interested in that, it is going to be at the end of the video, so just keep watching. And let's get into it. And if it's your first time here, would you please consider subscribing? It sure would mean a lot to me, and I would love to have you here. I post deals every single day, so just make sure that you have your bell set to all notifications so that you don't miss a single deal. Alright, y'all, so I started to check out my Bath & Body Works app today, just checking what the deals were. And today we've got $5.95 single wick candles. You've got to use the code GLOWY at checkout, but you can get up to 24 of them and they will just be $5.95 each. They are out of my favorite scent, which is pumpkin pecan waffles, but I was able to get some of the strawberry pound cake candles and some of the bakery fall scents. So if you like Bath & Body Works, if you love their candles, then they've got the small ones, $5.95, and I believe it's today only. I know I've shared this before, but with people having family coming in, I figured I'd share it again. We've got this $2 off digital from Scott, and we've got that offer of $3 off when we spend $15. Now this comes off instantly, we don't have to clip anything. So if you want, grab 3 of the $5 12 packs. So we're going to end up with 36 rolls, and we're only going to pay $10. We're going to get $3 off in instant savings and $2 off with the digital coupon. We will pay $10 for 36 rolls, and the toilet paper ends up being around 27 cents per roll. Notice that we have 2 $3 off 9 Oreo and Nabisco coupons, so we can also get 2 packs of Oreos for $9. After the $3 digital, we're going to pay $6, so that's just $3 per pack of Oreos. And they've also got the sale going on the Chips Ahoy, but that attaches to the other coupon, so we've still got the Oreo coupon sitting here. Alright, y'all, we've got a $1.50 cash back on the Flips peanut butter fudge covered pretzels. So if you need anything to fill a snack bowl with, then you could always grab these. They're $3.85. So after the $1.50 cash back, we will pay $2.35. Well, no, we're gonna pay, but then we're just gonna get the cash back. You know what I mean. Right, y'all, we've got 50 cents cash back on body armor. This is expiring soon, so if you need to grab some alternatives to Coke, Pepsi, whatever, you can always grab the body armor water. They are $1.35 each, so buying 3, it'll be $4.05. We're going to earn a $1.50 cash back, and we will get them for $2.55 after our cash back, which is like paying 85 cents each. Not too terrible. Alright, y'all, now we have made it to the portion of the video where we get to all the Pizzelle cookies I made today with my Meemaw. So, if you're interested in how to make these classic Italian cookies, then at the end I will share with you the recipe. Alright, y'all, so this is a big bowl of the batter, and you use 2 spoons, and then you need a little Pizzelle iron. They sell them at Walmart, everywhere pretty much. I mean, not everywhere, I guess I shouldn't say that. But you can get them online on Amazon, and they're really easy to use. It's really simple. This was my dough that ended up turning pink because the dye from those rainbow sprinkles, it just turned everything a pink color instead of sticking on the sprinkle like it's done in the past. But in the past, I've used the Jimmy's kind of sprinkles, you know what I mean? The long colored sprinkles. and those tend to work a little bit better than these, so keep that in mind if you want to do the sprinkled pizzelles. These are the ones that are the vanilla and lemon extract. I don't put anise in these. You don't always have to put anise in there, so keep that in mind. You can actually put whatever flavors you want. This one that I made ended up tasting like Fruity Pebbles. So it was pretty exciting. I think next time I might try to mix like a strawberry in there too with lemon and vanilla. I think that would be really good. Anyhow, you just close it for around like 45 seconds or so, and you take them out. But Gia was sitting there in the chair and just watching us so intently, so I had to come up and say hi to her. She was being so good. She's such a cute little girl. With such nice table manners. She didn't try to steal anything off the table either. If that was here, my cats would be all up on the table trying to get into everything, and that's why I can't do things like this here. But this was like a day of baking, getting everything ready for Christmas, and I just wanted to share that with y'all. And I also have a recipe at the very end, so if you're interested in making these yourself, then just stick around to the end. I did pick up the $1 tins on the deal days when all the cute little tins were $1, so I grabbed a couple of those. I'm going to make a couple different kind of cookies and put them inside and gift them. So that is a super cheap, easy way to show people you care, and it doesn't cost that much. So if you're interested, the ingredients and everything is coming up now. Alright y'all, so this makes 10 dozen cookies. You're going to need 1 dozen eggs, 2 cups sugar, 6 cups flour, 2 cups vegetable oil, a half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of anise, which this is optional. You do not have to put it in if you don't like it, 3 tablespoons of orange extract, and 3 tablespoons of lemon extract. Now again, you can put whatever flavors you want. You don't have to do these. And what you do is you preheat the little iron. You're going to grease it once with the butter. Then you're going to mix all your ingredients together and drop it by the teaspoonful onto the hot iron. You're going to close it for a couple seconds, usually up to like 45 seconds, and then open it up and you will have your little cookies there. You'll want to use like a spatula or something to scoop them off the iron and put them in a place to dry so you don't burn yourself. Y'all, here is the recipe I made with the sprinkles, and this makes around 5 dozen. Mine didn't because I ate most of them as I cooked them, but that is neither here nor there. Normally the first 2 or 4 pizzelles you make, you throw out because you got to get the dust out of your iron from the previous year, so keep that in mind also. Alright, ingredients for our kid-friendly pizzelle is 6 eggs, 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon lemon extract, and 1 tablespoon of colored sprinkles. So, you'll just mix all this together and do everything exactly the same as the prior recipe. And you'll just want to cook them the same amount of time, and just be aware that the colors might bleed like that. It might not work out perfectly like I had hoped, but I have done it successfully in previous years where the cookie is actually the light color and then you see the colors pop out. So I'm gonna have to try again. Alright y'all, that's all I've got for you right now. I truly appreciate you watching, and I know this video is a bit different than what you're used to, but I just figured I would take you along and share part of my day with you. So, thank you so much for watching. I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye guys!